Hey, folks, welcome to Market Intraday Analysis by InTheMoneyStocks.com, your leaders in pure technical analysis, avoiding all that Wall Street hype. This video for Wednesday, June 6th, 2012 is sponsored by Realtik. Alright, guys, a lot to discuss here. The reason why this video is coming to you late is because there was just too much in terms of money-making opportunities for me intraday here today. I will go over some of them. First off, we called this rally. If you didn't know this rally was going to happen yesterday, then you weren't paying attention to InTheMoneyStocks.com. Let me quickly explain how we knew. First off, financials rallied yesterday. First day in I don't know how long that the financials were up. The financials are an intricate part of the market. In addition, they're closely tied to Europe because of derivatives and all the other factors. Therefore, if they start to bounce, it is likely the markets will bounce, and sure enough, that's happening. In addition, JPMorgan had a one-of-a-kind, perfect bull flag on the 60-minute chart yesterday. I noted this to my members. I noted this to everyone here in the chat room at InTheMoneyStocks.com. If you didn't get the note, then you're not a member. You need to sign up right now for the 7-day free trial to the Research Center or the Intraday Stock Chat. Again, the place is InTheMoneyStocks.com. Best place in the world to be for money-making opportunities. Look at this flag pattern. Green candle yesterday and perfect sideways channel here. That is called a bull flag. Bull flag right there, folks. That is telling you, that is choreographing. There's neon flashing lights there on that JPMorgan chart that is telling you you are going to have a rally. Because JPMorgan's going to break up, and I'll tell you one thing, JPMorgan's not going up if the market's not going up. So JPMorgan jumps today. Markets jump today. Dow Jones Industrial Average is up beautifully on the day, 216 points. S&P's up 22.5. Nasdaq's up 53. Monster rally across the board. We caught this move. We knew this move was going to happen. I have some JPMorgan myself that I'm riding, as well as a couple other positions. Another great trade this afternoon, and again, this one I just moved out of as a day trade, is Facebook. I called the alert that it was going to start to run. Let me show you how. In fact, yesterday I knew it was going to run as well because of key methodology points, and I alerted members via the Research Center technical analysis video, which comes as part of the Research Center. I was putting it on Traders Life. I put it on Twitter. I basically put it everywhere that it was going to have a run today. Today, initially you popped up and sold off. Probably people were like, oh, it's going to sell off again. Again, nonsense. Why? Because I know more than the average person out there, and I have proprietary techniques that I utilize. Let me just show you a couple things. These tails down here, someone was trying to sell, and someone was just accumulating all the shares down here, folks, all the shares. It pops up, pulls back again. This is a bull flag in spirit of right here. All right, that's telling you there's a possibility it's going to move higher. In addition, higher lows. Connect the lows of the day today. Take a look at this, folks. All right, take a look at that. Just connect those lows of the day. You're getting higher lows. In addition, take the high pivot from yesterday. Draw a trend line down. What happens? It connects right through the pivot tops. One pivot top, two pivot tops. That's a triangle pattern. When this breaks, that's where I hopped on board here. Sure enough, you got a breakout. It was going to squeeze. I just sold at a Pierce of $27 all the way up here. 200 moving average. All right, so you're seeing the higher lows being put in. You're seeing the triangle pattern. You know whichever way it breaks, it's going to make a move that way. Based on what we saw here, based on the higher lows, it was an obvious breakout. Once it broke out, I jumped on board, as did many members here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. As I posted the alert on the Research Center Traders Life 24/7 page, I put it on Twitter. It was there for everyone. Anyone who was watching could have grabbed this and made a good dollar on the stock as it raced higher to about the 27.15 level. All right? Understand this stuff. This is how you make money in the market, folks. The market's not easy. But if you know the keys, if you know the proprietary secrets we teach here at InTheMoneyStocks.com, you can make money. That's simple. All right, let's take a look. We have the dollar falling substantially today. Not surprising there. Again, if you look at your daily chart here on the dollar, you are right into resistance up here. It's continuing to collapse. That's the favoring we've had. That's another reason why I expected a little bit of bounce. Now, by the way, the bounce is going to be short-lived. It's not going to last that long. If we're lucky, maybe to the end of this week, maybe into early next week, but that's it. And it may not even last that long. Bernanke's speaking tomorrow. We have some key data coming out the next couple days. It's going to be a wild time. Honestly, I don't care, though, because we're positioning ourselves on the right side of the market regardless based on reading the charts properly. You read the charts properly, you get on the right side of the trade no matter what. All right, seeing JPMorgan at the levels it was going to bounce. It bounced. All right, seeing Facebook trading in that pattern intraday, it was going to run. It ran. Soon they're going to be great shorting opportunities. In fact, I gave out a level in the chat room today on GG. This was your shorting level on GG right here. Look at it, it's already reversed. Gap fill right there, consolidation pattern, that's your reversal level. That was a beautiful call right there. All right. Bottom line is, inthemoneystocks.com, 7-day free trial to the research center, to the intraday stock chat. There are trades every single day. There are swing trades every single day. There are day trades every single day. There for the taking. Come join us here. Try us out. I'm going to go back to making money for the rest of the day. Have a great evening, folks. See you soon.